In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change booking view in Ownerrez. To get started, go to Ownerrez and open the platform as you normally would. This will bring you to the main area where you manage your bookings and view your reservation information. If you're following along in real time, it helps to make sure you're already signed in so you can jump straight into the dashboard without interruptions. Once you are on the dashboard, take a moment to orient yourself. This is the central workspace where Ownerrez displays your booking activity and related tools. The booking view options are especially useful because they let you change how reservation data is displayed, depending on whether you want a broad overview or something more specific and detailed. From here, look to the top right menu. That's where you'll find the controls used to switch between different booking layouts. These view options are designed to help you work in the format that makes the most sense for what you're doing, whether you're reviewing availability, scanning bookings over time, or checking reservation details in a simpler list format. First, select Ribbon. The ribbon view is helpful if you want to see bookings laid out visually across the timeline. It can make it easier to spot patterns, overlaps, or open dates at a glance. After clicking it, the booking display will update to show that format. Next, click on Month. This changes the booking view into a monthly layout, which is useful when you want to focus on reservations within a single month. It gives you a more calendar-style perspective and can be especially helpful for short-term planning or checking occupancy during a specific period. Then, click on Year. The year view expands your perspective so you can see booking activity over a much longer time frame. This can be useful when you want to review trends across the year or quickly compare busy and slow seasons without switching month by month. Next is Current. Clicking Current changes the display to show the current booking focus view available in Ownerrez. This option is useful when you want to return to a more immediate, up-to-date perspective on reservations. Lastly, click on List. The list view presents bookings in a more straightforward, text-based format. This is often the easiest option when you want to scan reservation details quickly without focusing on a calendar layout. It can be especially convenient for reviewing entries one by one. And that's it. By using the top right menu in Ownerrez, you can easily switch between ribbon, month, year, current, and list views to match the way you prefer to manage your bookings.